AI-powered app lets you chat with historical and fictional characters. Oh, people will love that stuff. I would never.
It'll be kind of fun.
People will love it, though. I would never, but people will love it. They'll be like, oh, I'm going to go talk to Mozart or Rapunzel. I see some of the suggestions over there. I gotta, you know what? I'm going to ask Da Vinci about that. Kanye's going to be the #1 Da Vinci fan.
Uh-huh.
And be like, excuse me, I got a call coming in from Leonardo. And it's actually a group call. It's actually
Socrates.
Yeah, that's right. And
Plato.
Well, and Steve Jobs as well.
And Steve Jobs, yeah.
Yeah, and they're all in there. And
Walt Disney.
They're actually on. We're actually going to FaceTime right now. This looks more
fun,
like cartoon Little Red Riding Hood, and they
it just says doctor.
That's it. Yeah. And they kind of adopt that character, and I guess it's entertainment, but it's inside of your kind of chats. It's a little, I don't know, maybe it's cool. Ever wanted to chat with your favorite people from history and literature, short of traveling back? Maybe this is a better way for people to learn. Right?
I think so,
if you want to learn history and all of a sudden it's a historical figure and you get to have a back and forth instead of just reading a long Wikipedia document.
Sure, yeah.
It's interesting.
Have like a conversation with them.
So where does this happen? Designed for iOS and iPad OS, a new app named Super Chat, which is something else that's already the thing on YouTube, in our chat.
Yeah. Yeah.
Whatever.
There's a Super Chat app that's completely different.
Danny just proved it by supplying a Super Chat. Shout out, Danny. Anyway, this is also called Super Chat. Presents bots as well-known historical and fictional characters with whom you can chat. The basic flavor of Snapchat is free, but limits the number of characters to... They meant to write Super Chat there. Wow. Another typo. AI.
Yeah.
AI. The basic flavor of Super Chat is free, but there's limits on the number of characters that you can ask questions of. It goes up to $6.99 a week. A week, not a month, or $70 a year.
That's pretty expensive, eh?
Hey, man, you got to chat with your characters. Yeah, a little pricey.
I think this stuff will be more prevalent in the future.
In education, I can see it. For kids and stuff, they're like, hey, you want to learn about Beethoven or Galileo? Talk to him.
Or Genghis Khan.
Hey, Galileo, who the hell are you? Excuse me, child.
It goes hot immediately.
Yeah. Who the hell are you?
Yeah,
$6.99 a week.
But yeah, that's
there you go. How does someone get rich like you? Well, my wealth came from questionable means back in the 1920s, so I don't necessarily recommend my path to riches. However, if you're looking for advice on how to build wealth through hard work and legitimate means, I suggest, I'm Jay Gatsby, a fictional character from the novel The Great Gatsby by F. Scott Fitzgerald. It's a pleasure to be chatting with you. He doesn't even talk that way. I just felt like doing that.
Yeah. But it will be, to a certain point, be even better, more human, where people will depend on these characters to chat with them on an emotional level.
Emotions.
Instead of informative. But
Oh, you like the emotional side of it. That's where you come in.
Well, I'll give it a shot.
Okay.